Section 1. The Unsung Heroes, our hardworking kidneys. Our kidneys are often overlooked, yet they perform some of the most crucial functions in our body. Our kidneys are amazing organs. Each kidney is about the size of a fist, but don't let their small size fool you. They are powerhouses of activity. They work tirelessly, filtering waste and toxins from our blood. Every day they filter around 50 gallons of blood, removing waste products and excess substances. They balance fluids and electrolytes, keeping our internal environment stable. This balance is essential for maintaining the right conditions for our cells to function properly. Just like a car needs a well-functioning engine, our bodies rely on healthy kidneys. Without them, our bodies would quickly become overwhelmed with toxins and waste. But often we take these bean-shaped wonders for granted. We don't realize how much they do for us until something goes wrong. Modern diets, high in processed foods and sodium, can put a strain on our kidneys. These foods can lead to high blood pressure and diabetes, both of which are major risk factors for kidney disease. Over time, this can lead to a decline in kidney function. When kidneys are damaged, they can't filter blood as well as they should, leading to a buildup of waste in the body. The good news is that we have the power to protect and support these vital organs through the food we eat. By making healthier choices, we can reduce the strain on our kidneys. Nature provides an abundance of kidney-friendly foods, especially vegetables, brimming with nutrients that promote kidney health. Leafy greens, berries and apples are just a few examples of foods that can help keep our kidneys in top shape. Staying hydrated is also crucial for kidney health. Drinking plenty of water helps the kidneys remove waste from the blood and keeps the urinary tract functioning properly. Regular checkups with your healthcare provider can help monitor kidney function and catch any potential issues early. Early detection is key to preventing serious kidney problems. An active lifestyle also supports kidney health. Exercise helps control blood pressure and blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of kidney damage. Avoiding harmful substances like tobacco and excessive alcohol can further protect your kidneys. These substances can cause significant damage over time. By being aware of the importance of kidney health and taking proactive steps, we can ensure that these unsung heroes continue to function effectively, keeping our bodies healthy and balanced. Section 2. Nature's Powerhouse, Super Veggies to the Rescue. Think of vegetables as potent allies in your quest for optimal kidney health. These natural wonders are more than just food. They are nature's gift to our bodies, providing essential nutrients that support various bodily functions, including the health of our kidneys. They are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help protect your kidneys from damage. Antioxidants, in particular, play a crucial role in neutralizing harmful free radicals, which can cause oxidative stress and damage to kidney cells. Incorporating a variety of colorful vegetables into your diet is a delicious and effective way to show your kidneys some love. Each color represents different phytonutrients that offer unique health benefits. For instance, green vegetables like spinach and kale are rich in chlorophyll, which helps detoxify the kidneys. From the vibrant red bell peppers to the humble cabbage, each vegetable offers a unique set of nutrients that contribute to kidney well-being. Red bell peppers are low in potassium and high in vitamins A and C, making them excellent for kidney health. Cabbage, on the other hand, is a cruciferous vegetable that provides fiber, vitamin K and vitamin C. Let's explore some of these super veggies and uncover their hidden powers. For example, sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, essential for maintaining healthy kidney function. Beets are another powerhouse, containing nitrates that help improve blood flow and reduce blood pressure, benefiting the kidneys. By making these super veggies a regular part of your meals, you can take proactive steps towards better kidney health and overall well-being. Section 3. Red bell peppers, lycopene champions for kidney defense. Red bell peppers are not just visually appealing, they are nutritional powerhouses. These vibrant vegetables are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that contribute to overall health. They are particularly rich in lycopene, a potent antioxidant that gives them their vibrant red color. Lycopene is known for its ability to neutralize free radicals, which are harmful molecules that can cause cellular damage. Lycopene has been shown to protect the kidneys from oxidative stress, a major contributor to kidney damage. By reducing oxidative stress, lycopene helps maintain the health and function of the kidneys, which are vital organs responsible for filtering waste from the blood. Add sliced red bell peppers to salads for a refreshing crunch. Their crisp texture and sweet flavor make them a delightful addition to any dish. Stuff them with kidney-friendly fillings for a hearty meal. Consider using ingredients like quinoa, black beans and spinach, which are also beneficial for kidney health. Or roast them to bring out their natural sweetness. Roasting red bell peppers enhances their flavor, making them a perfect side dish or a tasty ingredient in various recipes. However you choose to enjoy them, red bell peppers are a delicious way to support your kidney health. Incorporating them into your diet can provide numerous health benefits, including improved kidney function and overall well-being. So next time you're at the grocery store, be sure to pick up some red bell peppers and start reaping the benefits of this lycopene-rich vegetable. Section 4. The mighty cabbage family, Cruciferous Crusaders, broccoli, cauliflower, kale, Brussels sprouts. The cruciferous vegetable family is renowned for its health benefits, and kidney health is no exception. These vegetables are packed with fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and reduces the workload on the kidneys. Cruciferous vegetables also contain compounds called glucosinolates, which break down into isothiocyanates when consumed. Isothiocyanates have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, protecting the kidneys from damage. Enjoy these vegetables steamed, roasted or sautéed for a healthy and flavorful addition to your meals. Section 5. Garlic and onions, flavorful allies in kidney health. Garlic and onions, staples in many cuisines worldwide, are not just flavor enhancers. They are also beneficial for kidney health. They are rich in allicin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Allicin helps reduce inflammation in the kidneys, protecting them from damage. Add minced garlic and chopped onions to your favorite dishes for a flavor boost. Roast whole garlic cloves to create a creamy spread for sandwiches or wraps. Incorporate these pungent powerhouses into your diet to enjoy their kidney protective benefits. Section 6. Leafy greens, nutrient powerhouses for optimal function. Leafy greens like spinach, kale and collard greens are nutritional powerhouses, packed with vitamins, minerals and antioxidants essential for overall health, including kidney health. They are low in potassium, a mineral that needs to be limited in people with kidney disease. Leafy greens are also a good source of vitamin K, which is important for bone health and blood clotting. Enjoy these versatile greens in salads, smoothies, soups or sautés for a nutrient-rich boost to your diet. Sweet potatoes are not only delicious, but also beneficial for kidney health. They are a good source of fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and reduces the workload on the kidneys. Sweet potatoes are also rich in beta-carotene, an antioxidant that protects the kidneys from damage. Enjoy baked sweet potatoes as a satisfying side dish. Add mashed sweet potatoes to your favorite soups and stews, or roast them with herbs and spices for a flavorful treat. Incorporate these sweet and nutritious root vegetables into your diet to support your kidney health. Incorporating these kidney-friendly vegetables into your daily meals doesn't have to be complicated. Start by adding a side of steamed broccoli to your dinner, tossing some spinach into your morning smoothie, or snacking on sliced bell peppers with hummus. Get creative in the kitchen. Experiment with different cooking methods and flavors to find what you enjoy most. Remember, small changes can make a big difference in the long run. Taking care of your kidneys doesn't require drastic measures. Simple lifestyle changes like incorporating more kidney-friendly vegetables into your diet can make a significant difference in preventing kidney disease and promoting overall health. Listen to your body, nourish it with wholesome foods, and make choices that support your long-term well-being. Your kidneys will thank you for it. Our kidneys are essential for a healthy life. By making conscious choices about what we eat, we can provide our bodies with the nutrients they need to thrive. Embrace the power of nature's bounty and make kidney-friendly vegetables a regular part of your diet. Remember, every bite is an opportunity to nourish your body and support your overall health. Let's make each meal a celebration of vibrant living.